In a world that often praises loudness, the strength of silent people is often overlooked. Yet it is one of the most powerful forces around us. We live in a society that often equates talking with power, thinking that the louder you speak, the more influence you have. But the truth is, the strength of silent people lies in their quiet, unwavering presence and in the depth of their action. Silent people don't need a shout to make an impact. They understand that words are often just noise. They have mastered the art of listening, of observing, and of thinking before they speak. Their silence is not a weakness, but rather a powerful form of strength. It gives them clarity and perspective. It allows them to choose their words carefully. So when they do speak with purpose and precision, there is a quiet power in those who don't need to determine the conversation to make a difference. These individuals understand the value of stillness in the stillness of their being. They gather the strength to preserve the wisdom to act and the courage to move mountains, one small calculated step at a time. Silent people are often misunderstood. Society might label them as shy or introverted, but in reality, they are strong, grounded individuals who have learned to harness the power of silence to connect with themselves and the world around them. They know the value of silence because it is in the quiet moment that true reflections occur, that deep understanding is cultivated in the midst of chaos. It is the silent people who bring calm in the heat of battle. They are the one who remain poised and focused. And when the world feels overwhelming, they know the art of stepping back, gathering their strength, and coming forward with clarity and intention. To be silent is not to be weak. It is to be strong enough to let action speak louder than words, to remain unshaken in the face of adversity, and to listen to the voice within. Silent people embody resilience. They walk with quiet strength, knowing that they don't need to shout to leave a legacy. Their legacy is written in their action, their integrity, and their ability to lead through example. So if you consider yourself a quiet person, understand that your strength is not measured by how much you speak, but by the depth of your character, the integrity of your actions, and the impact you create in your silent moment. Let your silence be your strength, and know that sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply to be still.